We are fully funded, so we're not going to have to dilute our shareholders this year, and we'll have drills at Palos Verdes, Los Pavitos, and Hot Breccia. Very active year, drilling-wise, for Prismo Metals.
StockPulse.com. We are on location here, PDAC 2023, and I've got Alain Lambert. He is the capital markets. What's the title again?
Capital Markets Advisor.
He's a capital markets advisor, and he also co-founded this thing here. So, Alain, good to see you.
It's great to see you again.
Yeah. So,
welcome to Toronto.
Yeah, thank you. Yeah, I saw some thunder snow. Never seen that before. That's quite interesting. But yeah, let's get into this. You got a drill permit. That's pretty exciting.
We did. We had a news release yesterday. And we have our new drilling permit for Palos Verdes. That's the silver prospect that we have in the Panuco district. The one you'll remember, we're surrounded by Vizsla silver. And here's the significance of that permit, right? So you'll recall last year we drilled on the west side of the Palos Verdes vein. And only 30% of the target strike length was available to us, and we were waiting for that new permit in order to explore the 70% of the property that remains undrilled. So we've already mobilized a team. They're building roads, pads. We're going to have a drilling rig on that thing really shortly, and it will be turning in early April.
What are the details on the potential program here that we're working?
We're going to do 2,500 meters minimum, and your listeners will also remember that we have a partnership with Vizsla Silver. They invested $2 million in our company. They own 10.1%. They have a right of first refusal on Palos Verdes, and we established a technical committee. So our CEO, Craig Gibson, and our technical people will be sitting down with the Vizsla Silver people and put the drilling plans together, and it'll be a minimum of 2,500 meters.
Yeah. Vizsla's obviously watching this one closely.
Oh, they are, and they're full of cash. They've got $70 million in the bank, and they just continue to have great results after great results, and I think they're pretty close to $400 million market cap now.
Wow. That's extraordinary. Talk about the homeland there in Mexico. Talk about how special that place is.
Well, it's a great jurisdiction to be exploring, and so we have that prospect in the Panuco district, but we also have another project. It's a very large gold prospects in Sonora State, and that's 5,300 hectares, and it's a very safe jurisdiction, very friendly to mining, and we're also expecting to get the drilling permit on that property any day now.
Oh, a couple drills could be going then.
Well, it could be 3. So we're hoping to have also a permit application made in our most recent acquisition. We talked about it at Vierick, you and I, called Hot Breccia. Hot Breccia property in Arizona, right in the very famous copper belt of Arizona, and we intend to drill that one also in 2023. And very important to remember that we are fully funded, so we're not going to have to dilute our shareholders this year, and we'll have drills at Palos Verdes, Los Pavitos, and Hot Breccia. Very active year drilling-wise for Prismo Metals.
A lot of hunting hidden treasures out there, so let's consolidate a message here for investors. It's been a rough go here. Hopefully the bottom's in. You just laid out a plethora of reasons to be involved in the stock, but talk to investors here.
So I always tell the investors to first focus on the people who are in charge of the company, and there is no doubt in my mind that if you have great people and a marginal project, you can have success. And you can have a very good project and marginal people, and you're not going to find any success. So the 3 co-founders of the company are myself, Craig Gibson, who is our CEO, and Dr. Peter McGaw. And we have a very good board of directors. And the people that, like Greg and his team, they've been involved in Mexico for almost 40 years now. So investors need to pay attention to who's in charge, and we think we've got the goods here.
All cashed up and ready to go.
Absolutely, no dilution.
Okay, appreciate that update. Alain Lambert, Capital Markets Advisor, co-founder, Prismo. Appreciate that update.
Thank you very much. Great to see you again.